Today, you will learn how to add Hibernate option in Windows 11 Start menu. First, click the Windows search icon on your taskbar. Type Control Panel and open it. In Control Panel, click System and Security, then select Power Options. Now look at the left side and click Choose what the power buttons do. At the top of the next page, click Change settings that are currently unavailable. You may need administrator permission, so simply allow it if Windows asks. Now scroll down to the Shutdown Settings section and find the Hibernate option. Check the box next to Hibernate, then click Save Changes. That's it. Now click the Start menu, select the power icon, and you should see the Hibernate option. You can click it anytime you want to save your current session and turn off your PC. If you are using a laptop, you can also choose Hibernate when you press the power button or close the laptop lid by selecting Hibernate from the available drop-down menus on the same Power Options page. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe.